beautiful day with a frost. Wow, very happy to have been inside last night. Good morning, very relieved to have been snug and toasty warm indoors last night, but there was a sizable creature scratching around in that bin during the night, so I had a pretty interrupted sleep, so I've ended up sleeping quite late. It's 8 AM already. I've only got 11 hours of daylight left. One of the lovely things about indoor camping, of course, is having a perfectly dry tent to pack away. Beautiful, perfectly still, blue sky morning, frost still on the ground here in the mountains. Definitely worth the cold trip up yesterday. There's a 1 hour hike around the lake, but it looks pretty cold over there, not in the sun. So I'm going to crack on, look at some other lakes.
Leur spectacle, leurs chansons, leur énergie positive. On accueille encore une fois sous vos applaudissements.
It appears to be like a harvest festival, we would call it in English. Bonjour. Rather murky here, this lake. Still very lovely. What a difference the sunshine makes. I've got my arms and legs out again. I've got a small tailwind as I climb back up again. Bonjour. Oh, look at this moss. So beautiful. Twice climbed 650 meters yesterday, and I'm climbing another 650 meters today. There's an oddly uniform difference in altitude between the bottom of the valley and the pass around here. But even though I'm quite depleted from yesterday's climbs, today in the sunshine is infinitely more enjoyable. It's lovely here. Nice smooth gradient. This is cool. I've never seen anything like this before. So I guess I'm about halfway up. Don't know if you can see the hang gliders or that it's 3Ks to the top. Oh, but a bit steeper. Bonjour. It's been a gorgeous day in the mountains, but now it's time to descend 1,000 meters into Clermont Ferrand.
T'as pas de petit verre de vin, mais en fait, je te pris un super bon verre de vin.